Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD USD, Australian dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So as you can see, I am in the AUD USD chart and I am using the 4 hours time frame, my personal favorite and one of the most popular time frame in the Forex world. Okay, and as you can see, I have many lines here in this chart. Okay, so before going ahead, I would like to take you to the weekly time frame. And if you watch my previous videos, then you know it very well that I'm a fan of multi time frame analysis. Okay, so I consult the weekly time frame to get the bigger picture. Okay, so this is the weekly chart, and as you can see, okay, let me move these lines right now. Okay, so this is the weekly chart, and as you can see, there is a resistance here. Okay, there is a resistance here at this particular level. Okay, and previous week market tried to cross the resistance, but market failed. Before that also, market formed a green candle, market tried to cross the resistance, market failed. Before that also, market failed and failed. So for 4 consecutive weeks, or for what I'm saying, okay, for more than a month, market is struggling. Market is trying to cross the resistance, but market is unable to do so. It is coming down. So this resistance is very crucial for the market, and if we look at the bigger picture, okay, if we look at the bigger picture, then we can see that market is trying to cross this resistance since January. Okay, you can see the date here. Market is trying to cross this resistance since January, but market is unable to do so. Whenever market is going up, it is facing selling pressure from above, it is coming down, sellers are pushing the price downside. Okay, and ultimately market is unable to cross the resistance. Therefore, this resistance is very crucial for the market, and the level is 0.7828. 0.7828. This is a very crucial resistance for the market. Market is trying to cross this resistance since January. Okay, now let's switch to the weekly time, our 4 hours time frame. Now let me bring those lines back in. Where did the lines go? They have vanished. I'll have to draw new lines here. Okay, just give me a few seconds. Okay, it won't take much time. So the lines are back again. Okay, so right now you can see that market is at 0.7760. Okay, this is the current market price. After the market opening, market is trading here. Okay, but one thing we can notice here is that market closed here. Okay, so today after the market opening, market tried to go up. Market tried to cross the previous the previous closing price. Okay, but market failed. So as soon as market hit the previous closing price, the closing price of the Friday, it got resistance. The sellers pushed the price. Okay, which means that sellers are present in that price level. Therefore, I have drawn a dotted line here, and it's let me change the color. 0.7787. Okay, so first and foremost, this is our first level and first trading opportunity here. Okay, in case market goes up from here, okay, in case market goes up from here and crosses this level, 0.7787 level, then just observe the price. Okay, if market crosses this level successfully, then you can go for a buy order, but you won't be making much money here because market has got the next resistance, and in this chart market has got several resistances. Okay, so in case market crosses this dotted line here, you can go for a small profit or quick profit. Okay, quick profit here, because if you enter, then you need to exit here at the pink line, which is the weekly support, which is the weekly resistance, the resistance which is very crucial to the market, the resistance which the resistance market is unable to cross since January. Okay, so this level is also very much important. So if you enter above this dotted line, okay, 0.7787, you need to exit by 0.7828, and this is also resistance level, but as of now market is trading here and this level is too far away, so this level is not that important. Okay, so as of now you just need to concentrate on this portion only, and in case market comes down from here, okay, in case market comes down from this particular price level, okay, then you may get a good buying opportunity at this price level, 0.7689. You can see that this level has provided support to the market on various occasions, here, 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 here. So there is a possibility that when market, or if market comes down and hit this particular price level, then market may bounce. If market comes down to 0.7689 level, then just watch the price, just observe the price. If you see that market is bouncing from here, market is forming hammer kind of candlestick patterns or green candles like this, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, it is still a valid support and you can go for a buy at this particular level. Or else wait for the market, okay, wait for the market to cross this dotted line, and if it crosses successfully, you can go for a quick profit, but you need to exit by 0.7828. This is your ultimate left. And when market will be reaching, or if market reaches this level, 0.728 level by today, then you need to short the market. Okay, you need to short the market, but yes, confirmation is important. Okay, how will you get the confirmation? You will get the confirmation in the form of a big red candle like this, price rejection from above, or a shooting star kind of a pattern. Once you get a confirmation that yes, this crucial resistance is still very crucial, market is still failing to cross the level, then we can short the market or at this peak line, 0.7828. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities in AUD USD. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.